This is Liam and Alec going on a crazy adventure. Yay!
Yeah, here we are!
Here we are!
I'm Daniel Buck.
And
today we're going snowboarding.
On a mountain.
So what do you like most about snowboarding? Do you like the snow?
I like the snow.
How about the powder?
That's
do
fun
you like
too.
the chairlift? He always does that. He always asks questions before they can even answer. Like, what about that? Is it hard? Is powder more fun or is it better?
Just push them. Get down there. Are you good?
Yes.
All right.
Take it, Daniel. All right.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's where I want to go. Right there. Yeah, some of the cool ones is nice.
Alright.
There's ice and snow mix. Woo. That was good. Every time you land though, it's just super soft. What? Woo!
Yeah. Oh no. It's gonna be so hard to get up. Holy.
Just slip around.
Hold on. There we go. That's so tiring to get up from your butt. Like,
Yeah.
knees is so much easier.
Yeah, this is pretty deep snow. This is awesome. The trails woven in are a little hard to counteract, but woohoo. Yo, Liam, that doesn't even look like a trail you could take because it looks like it's all flat.
Yeah?
We could give it a whirl.
We could either go that way or we could go over that way.
Oh, oh, I can't see it now, but like it curves down, but it looks like it goes back up, so I don't know.
Yeah?
It looks like a snowmobile's been down here, but not like an actual.
Yeah. And into the trees is a little rough?
No, oh no, no, it looks like it's fine. If you want, we can walk down there and just check it out, but.
You're the leader.
Well, Oh.
You're a lot better at getting up.
Well, I had an easy time there. That wasn't really fair, so. Oh, shit. Well, let's give it a whirl, see what happens. Oh.
Down this way?
Yeah, trying to jump through the snow though. Really hard. There we go. Okay.
Looks like it just goes back up.
It goes back up?
Yeah. What are you talking about, hey?
Oh, 15-minute boot hike. Well, shall we?
It's a 15-minute boot hike.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
do it. Yeah. This is Alec and Liam.
I'm tired.
Yeah, lying on your butt, it's hard to get up. We are currently on the
Mid-mountain.
yeah, so you have to hike up here. They say it takes 15 minutes. It took us maybe about 10 and like a 5-minute break or so, because there's some parts where you have to actually toboggan on your snowboard.
You sink in like waist deep.
Yeah, you're way past your knees for sure, so you're kind of stuck there either tobogganing or suffering. So we're suffering and tobogganing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is going to be probably a lot of wipeouts, but we got recommended to come here by a dude that just kind of came by and was just like, you guys got to try this mountain. And we're like, okay. But he's
down a different route, and then we ended up here anyway. So
he was completely gone. We didn't know where we were going, so it's kind of like, this is just a weird shot. We just ended up getting good luck and hitting the right place. So
yeah,
here we go. If I can even get up.
shit.
Oh, my glove is full of snow. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm already getting in there. There we go. Oh, it's all fresh powder. Oh, look at this run. Oh, that feels so good. Woo! Oh, definitely hitting some trees. Yeah, this snow is probably super deep. Ho ho ho! Woohoo! Look at all those guys going in the trees like that. Holy crap. Thank you. Oh, I was able to turn back. Oh shit, sorry. Whew. Oh yeah, Liam, this is the way. Down that way.
Oh, I know.
Heck yeah, look, your board's so covered. That's awesome. Oh. Well, that looks deep. Oh no, Leo. Why, Leo? We'll see him at the bottom. This is the station anyway. Poor sucker. Here he comes. Hey, you're right. That was awesome, man.
Oh,
It's
you
so
guys hit it?
so fresh up there.
Yeah, man. First time up or what?
Yeah, I'd never been here before either. And
Yeah,
like,
that's where it's at.
when you pass, you're like, where is it, right? And we just got lucky and just
Little
found
hike,
it.
and then it's just straight shot up.
Yeah. Thanks, man. See ya. Oh. How was it?
Oh, getting up from that one fall.
You got a nice little hairdo up there.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Out of good rating, what would you say?
Oh, the powder, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Hike up there?
0 out of 10. I'm
But
tired.
the view was awesome.
View was great.
And the run was short, but it was definitely worth it for sure.
Oh, yeah.